Okay students, so next is actually question number 20, 21 and 22, right? But since it will be little lengthy to explain, I am moving to directly question number 23, and rest of the question we will do, and then we'll come back to question number 20, 21 and 22. Okay, it is just little lengthy as I have to explain more about it there. Okay, you simply cannot put x there, the values. That's why the question number 20 to 22 I will do little later. Okay, first let me finish all those questions. So what it says in question number 23 is find all the points of discontinuity, right? So you have to find point of discontinuity means where the graph will break, you have to find basically, right? So we have done this kind of question. So anyway, the function is given in different type this time. Okay, so the function which is given is fx is equal to sin x by x comma if x less than 0, means when you will take x less than 0, this will be the function, x greater than or equal to 0, this will be the function. Okay, so let's find out whether the function will be continuous or discontinuous, and they have asked you to find out all the discontinuity. You have to find only where the graph will break. You don't have to find whether the graph is continuous at all point or not. Those things you don't have to find, you just have to find point of discontinuity. Now the question is where the graph might break. At 0 only, right? So we have already discussed this one in the previous questions also. Okay, so this graph will not break at any other point other than 0. The chances it is at 0. We don't know whether the graph will break at 0. For example, for this one graph, it will come something like this till 0, x equal to 0, like this, right? Less than 0, I mean not equal to 0, just before 0, whatever is there, till their graph will not break for sure. Okay, now after that x greater than and equal to, now this equal to 0 function is which one? X plus 1, right? So for this straight line will be there. Now this straight line might start from here, or it might start from here, or it might start from here, or it might start from here only. Okay, if it starts from here only, we know that after this it will not break. This is a straight line, so the chances is if it starts from here, then the graph will not break at any point. If it starts from here, then you can see it will break at 0. So the chances of breaking the graph is at 0 only. So we will check at 0 whether the function is continuous or not, or whether it will be discontinuous. We will find out that only. So the point of discontinuity can be only 0 here. So let's check whether it will be or not. So at x equal to 0, first you have to write down function, given function, and then you follow this one. Okay, at x equal to 0, what we will do? Graphically we have understood, right? So in theory what we will write? Left hand limit, right hand limit, and f of 0, right? Very simple, we have to find out that only. So we have done many times this one. Left hand limit, what it was? Limit x tends to 0 minus. Function will be which one? 0 minus means less than 0. Function will be less than 0 means this one. Sin x by x, which is equal to how much? Now see, this identity you have done in class 11 only, right? If I put simply 0 here, sin 0 is how much? 0. Here also 0. So 0 by 0 will be what? Indeterminate. So you cannot put directly 0 here. So I told you, right? This was identity. Sin theta. Remember in class 11 we have done limit x tends to 0. Sin theta by theta is how much? It's always 1. We have done this identity in class 11, right? So this one will come out to be 1 directly. Okay, next right hand limit identity I will give you again. Okay, the picture I will click the picture and will send it to you, those all those identities which we have done in class 11. Okay, right hand limit. Now to find out right hand limit, what was the limit form? It was x tends to 0 plus f of x. 0 plus means greater than 0. Greater than 0, which function? X plus 1. So 0, can I put directly 0 here? Yes. If you put 0, what you will get? 1. So you can see left hand limit and right hand limit, it came out same. So let's find out f of 0 now. At x equal to 0 also we will find out. If this is also same, then left hand limit, right hand limit, and this same means f will be continuous at 0 also. So let's find out. So at x equal to 0, which one will be the function? X equal to 0, this is the function. So in place of x, 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. So very simple question, right? Since limit x tends to 0 fx is equal to f of 0, therefore f is continuous at x equal to 0. So if it is continuous at x equal to 0 means the graph will not break at 0 also. So what you can say, where will the graph break? Nowhere. So what we will write, therefore there is no point of discontinuity, means the graph will not break at all. Okay, that's it. I hope you are finding it easy now, right, compared to previous one, because that was for the first time you have done continuity problem, so you might face problem there, but as you keep on doing same kind of problem, you will understand what is the meaning here. Okay, next question number 24.